and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is just really easy and straightforward. I feel like I always say my recipes are easy, but really my recipes are easy. You'll be needing some chicken for this recipe. You can even use goat meat or anything else you have. The first step is seasoning the chicken. The next step is prepping the rest of your ingredients. Now the rest of the ingredients are ready, it's time to start browning the chicken. Heat some oil over medium heat. Now you add in some curry into the hot oil. This enhances the flavor of the sauce or stew, whatever you call it. Just give the curry a good stir in the hot oil and then you can start browning the chicken. When browning the chicken, make sure you do not pack the pot full. You have to brown the chicken in batches. So I started with just 4 pieces because if you put too much at a time, the chicken is going to end up steaming instead of browning. So you brown the chicken on each side for about a minute or 2. Note that you're not cooking the chicken at this point, you're just browning. same browning process for all the chicken. When you're done browning everything, you pour the rest of the chicken back into the pot. Remember, your chicken is still very much raw. All you did was brown both sides of the chicken. Now you add in the rest of your ingredients: the fresh thyme, the carrot, the onions, the ginger, the garlic, the Scotch bonnets. Everything goes into the pot at this point. You give that a really good stir, and if you need to adjust anything, this is the time to, because you want the seasonings to cook with the chicken at the same time. Then you add your tomato paste. Added some seasoning cubes. After stirring, add some water into the pot and let it cook over medium-low heat for about 40 to 45 minutes. This chicken is the really soft kind, so it doesn't take long to cook. Forty minutes later, when your sauce or stew is almost ready, dissolve some cornstarch in water. This will be used as a thickener for the stew. At this point, you pour in your dissolved cornstarch into the stew. You stir that and let that cook for another 5 minutes. Please try this recipe and let me know if you like it. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I upload videos 2 times every week on Mondays and Fridays. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.